Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to delete an email account or mailbox in MailEnable. Before we begin, take a look at AccuWebHosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@AccuWebHosting.com. Let's begin the tutorial. In order to delete an email account or mailbox in MailEnable, you will have to log in into your Windows server with administrator user. Here, we have used Windows Server 2012 R2 as an example. Click on the window button located on the status bar. Go to the search option and click on it. Enter MailEnable in the search field. Once you enter it, you will see the MailEnable application. Click on it to open MailEnable admin window. This process may take a few seconds to complete it. Congratulations! MailEnable administration window is opened. Click on the Messaging Manager. After then click on the Post Offices option. Here you can see the post office name which you have created to manage multiple mailboxes and domains. Select the post office name of which email account or mailbox you want to delete it. Here, we have selected post office name example.com as a demo. Click on the Mailboxes option. On the right side of the screen, you can see a list of the mailboxes which you have created. Select the mailbox which you want to delete it. Here we have selected Mailbox Demo as an example. Go to the Actions section and click on the Delete option to delete the mailbox. Once you click on it, Confirm Mailbox Deletion window will be opened. In this window, you will be asked, "Are you sure you wish to delete the mailbox? This will delete all the message for this mailbox." If you are sure, then click on the Yes button, otherwise click on the No button to cancel it. Here we have selected Yes button to delete the mailbox. Once you click on it, the mailbox will be deleted. You can see that the mailbox is deleted. That's it. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We've seen how to delete an email account or mailbox in MailEnable. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please click on the thumb button. Please click on subscribe button if you want to view such easy to understand technical videos published by AccuWebHosting.com. Thank you for watching.